All right, guys, today at Math Tubs, we're going to have a 1/2 and 1/4 paper that you'll be working on. You'll need one color and a pencil. So you can choose one pencil and one color. I chose my pencil and a red crayon. So what it says to do, it says to draw 2 equal shares and then color 1/2 of each of these figures. So we're going to draw 2 equal shares first on this rectangle, and I'm going to do my share horizontal. That means I'm going to have 2 equal shares, one on top and one on bottom. 2 equal shares. And then it says to color 1/2 of each shape. So I'm going to go ahead and partition my shape, and I'm going to take my crayon and I'm only going to color 1/2. So I'm going to choose to color the top part of my shape. You can choose to color either side that you want to color, but I just chose to do the top. And then I'll be done and I'll move on to my next shape. But I'm going to go ahead and skip down to the bottom right here to show you the next part, which says to draw 4 equal shares. Okay, I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to go ahead and start partitioning my square. Well, I already know from earlier that if I partition it up and down like this, so it's on both sides, that's 2 equal shares so far. And if I fold it in half again and I draw a line, then that means I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal shares. And then it says to color 1/4. So that means 1 out of the 4 I'm going to color red. Remember, you can pick what color you want to do, but make sure you use a pencil first to partition your shape. That means to go ahead and cut it with your pencil, not really scissors, but with a pencil to see where we would cut it. And then use a crayon to color in your one part. All right, so this is Math Tubs. When you get right here, whenever you finish, then you'll turn it into the station work drawer with your name on it. And don't forget, you can put the date in the top right-hand corner for Miss Moore to see that you did it the right way. All right, this one may be a little bit more hard for you, but let me give you a trick. If you cut it this way, it's matching on both sides. So don't get that confused. You'll just draw a line straight down the middle. All right, for journal, whoa. Journal is next, and it says colorful numbers, and it's going to have a teddy bear. And what you'll do is you're going to solve each number sentence that you see around your teddy bear. And then you're going to use the color code down here to see how you're going to color your teddy bear. So the first one I did for us right in the middle, 10 plus 4. If you don't remember how to do that, you can put 10 in your head and count up 4 more fingers and it lands on 14. You can also use your number line, exactly right, number line, and start at 10 and go 10 more jumps and 4 more jumps and you'll land on 14. Once you solve all of these number sentences, then you're going to take your pink and red, because those are the colors it teaches us to use. Pink and red. The pink is going to be for even numbers, and the red is going to be for odd numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and do my even numbers first. Remember how we can tell if a number is even. If a number is even, we're going to be looking at the ones place right here. And if a number is even, we'll be looking at that number. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and then a 0, those are all going to be even numbers. If you look up on the board, even numbers are going to be in red and odd numbers will be in blue. So don't get confused, because on our paper, they're going to be red for odd numbers and pink are going to be for even numbers. So this one's going to be even because the 4, it's up there underneath the even spot. So that means it needs to be pink. So I'm going to go ahead and color the teddy bear's belly pink. Now we know that Valentine's was last week and we did lots of things that were red and pink and purple. And this teddy bear's belly is going to be pink. If you don't have a pink, you can use a light red if you cannot find a pink, but I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to find a pink. And Miss Moore loves when you outline the shape with the dark the dark part of your crayon, it makes the coloring stand out and it looks beautiful. Okay, let's go to this one. 10. All right, Miss Moore says to look at the one spot right there. All right, 0. Oh, it's up there for even numbers. So even again is going to be pink. So the teddy bear's head is going to be pink. I went ahead and colored that one fast for you. But let's go ahead and go to one that's not going to be even. I'm going to go ahead and skip over some. Here's one right here, the teddy bear's foot. 6 plus 3 is going to be 9, and that's going to be an odd number. So that part of the bear is going to be red, because red right here means odd. So make sure you use your color code to help you remember. If you can't remember if a number is even or odd, you can look up at my board where there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 for even numbers, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11 for our odd numbers. All right, and then after you get done coloring your teddy bear, you're going to cut out the teddy bear and you're going to glue it right there in your journal and clean up your area before it's time to switch.